What's up, guys? It's about 3 a.m. I've been working on the mailing list all night. I decided to reward myself a little bit of a belated midnight snack. Having a few mini carrots. Technically, they got some carbs in them, but it's just got so much vitamin A. That's what I need because honestly, guys, I'm staring at that computer screen working on the mailing list for like maybe 18 and a half hours a day. But I just wanted to tell you guys, as cool as this refrigerator is right now, you guys sticking with the mailing list, it's even cooler. I mean, I just want to keep the mailing list fresh. Like, if I could put baking soda on the mailing list, because that's something that's a good tip for keeping your refrigerator clean. I was actually gonna include that in the Hints from Heloise edition of the mailing list. Anyway, just stay cool, chill out, don't freeze each other out of the mailing list. Just stay totally pause. And anyway, I gotta get back to work. You guys stay cool. Peace out. Peace out of the refrigerator.